তোমরা মাই ফ্যামিলি যেটা শিখছো নি, একটু বলো তো দেখি।
My family is a small and happy family. There are 5 members in my family. It includes my parents and my 2 sisters. I am the smallest member of my family. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. My family members and my family
মেম্বার আর ভেরি কেয়ারিং।